Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay.
Hi, friends. I'm Bunie.
Today is super useful.
Yes, hear versus listen. Simple, but many people mix them.
Bunie, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Nice. Are you listening to me?
Yes, I'm listening.
Perfect. That is the lesson.
Hear is sound. Listen is attention.
Please like this video and subscribe to Mr. K English Channel.
It helps us a lot. Thank you.
Comment one sentence using hear or listen to.
Write, today I hear blank, or today I listen to blank.
Stop. Quick check. Which one is correct? I listen music or I listen to music.
Only one is correct.
In this video, you will fix it fast.
After this, you will choose hear versus listen in 2 seconds.
Step 1. The 2-second rule. Hear means sound comes to you. Listen means you focus. Step 1 is the 2-second rule. Hear, sound comes to you. Listen, you focus on sound.
Hear is passive. You do not try. Listen is active. You choose to pay attention.
Super easy picture in your mind. Hear, a sound hits your ears. Listen, you turn your mind on.
Fast examples with hear. I hear music. I hear a dog. I hear traffic. I hear the rain. I hear a baby crying. I hear the doorbell. I hear a phone.
Now, fast examples with listen. I listen to music. I listen to English. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my friend. I listen to the news. I listen to instructions. I listen to a podcast.
Big difference in feeling.
I hear you can be only sound. I'm listening is attention.
Yes, I'm listening sounds kind.
Real life moment. You are in bed. You hear a noise. Then you listen to understand.
Role play 1. Home at night.
Kay, did you hear that? Yes, I heard a noise.
I hear it too.
Wait, let's listen.
Okay, I'm listening.
What do you think it is?
I think it is the wind.
Oh, I hear the wind now.
First, we heard a sound. Then we listened for the reason.
Role play 2. Busy street. Wow, it is loud here.
Yes, I hear cars and people.
I hear a siren.
Me too. Listen.
I'm listening. Is it close?
It is getting closer.
Okay, let's move to the side.
Good. Hear first, listen to understand.
Step 2. The golden pattern. Hear plus something. Listen to plus something.
Step 2 is the golden pattern. Hear plus something, no to. Listen to something, almost always to.
This is the common mistake. Many learners say, I listen music. But the correct sentence is, I listen to music.
Let's lock it in with simple pairs. I hear music.
I listen to music.
I hear your voice.
I listen to your story.
I hear the alarm.
I listen to the instructions.
I hear the radio.
I listen to the radio.
Notice this one. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
On calls, we use hear a lot.
And listen is often a command. Listen. Listen carefully. Listen to me.
More daily examples. I hear the microwave beep. I hear footsteps. I hear laughter. I hear someone singing.
More daily examples with listen. I listen to my boss. I listen to my mom. I listen to this song again. I listen to the teacher every day.
Now, the 3 common wrong lines. Wrong, I listen music. Correct, I listen to music.
Wrong, I heard to music. Correct, I heard music.
Wrong, listen me. Correct, listen to me.
Step 3. Fast choice game. Hear or listen. Keep your brain active.
Step 3 is fast choice. I will say a sentence, you choose hear or listen.
Ready? No stopping.
1. I. a noise.
Here, I hear a noise.
2. Please, to me.
Listen. Please listen to me.
3. Did you, that.
Here. Did you hear that?
4. I, to music every day.
Listen. I listen to music every day.
5. I, my name in the crowd.
Here. I hear my name.
6. Carefully.
Listen. Listen carefully.
7. I can't. You. You are too quiet.
Here. I can't hear you.
8. I, to this podcast on the bus.
Listen. I listen to this podcast.
9. I, the doorbell.
Here. I hear the doorbell.
10. For the word gate.
Listen. Listen for the word gate.
Great. If you got 7 or more, you're doing well.
If you got less, it is okay. Keep watching. We will repeat in real life.
Now we do the hear first, listen second idea. Because in life, it goes like this. You hear something, then you listen for details.
Like this. I hear an announcement. I listen for my flight number.
Role play. 1. Cafe, your name. This cafe is busy.
Yes, I hear people talking.
I hear cups, music, and chairs.
Me too.
Hey, I heard your name.
Really?
Yes, listen.
I'm listening.
Barista. K, large latte.
I heard it. That's mine.
Nice. First, you hear your name, then you listen to the message.
Yes. Hear first, listen second.
Role play 2. Office, polite fix.
Kay, are you listening?
I hear you, but I'm not listening.
That sounds a little rude.
You're right. Sorry. I wasn't listening. Can you say that again?
Yes, no problem.
Thank you. I'm listening now.
Great. The deadline is Friday.
Friday. Got it.
Step 4. Million view phrases. Use these in real life today.
Step 4 is the best phrases. These are common. You can use them today. Phrase 1. Can you hear me?
Online meeting? Phone call. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. No, I can't hear you. Can you hear me now? Yes, now I can hear you.
Phrase 2. Did you hear that? A sound happens, you react.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard it. No, I didn't hear it.
Phrase 3. Listen to me.
Strong and clear. Listen to me.
Okay, I'm listening.
Phrase 4. Listen up. This means attention now.
Listen up, everyone.
Listen up. I have one rule.
Phrase 5. I'm listening.
This is polite and warm. I'm listening.
Great. Thank you.
Phrase 6. Are you listening?
This is common with parents and teachers. Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Phrase 7. Listen for. Try to hear one special thing. Listen for your name. Listen for the number. Listen for the beep. Role play 1. Airport. Travel. We are at the airport.
It is very loud. I hear many announcements.
Me too. I hear voices everywhere.
What should we do?
Listen carefully. Listen for our flight number.
Okay, I'm listening for A12.
Announcement. A12 is now boarding at Gate 3.
I heard it. A12, Gate 3.
Great. Let's go. Role play 2. Doctor's office.
Kay, can you hear the nurse?
Yes, I can hear her.
Good. Now listen to the instructions.
Nurse voice. K. Please take this medicine after dinner.
Okay, after dinner.
I'm listening too. After dinner.
Nice. Listening helps you do it right.
Step 5. Common mistakes and easy fixes.
Step 5. Mistakes and fixes. Fix these and you sound natural. Mistake 1. I listen music.
Fix. I listen to music.
Add 2. More examples.
I listen to English. I listen to the news. I listen to my teacher.
Mistake 2. I heard to music.
Fix. I heard music.
No to after hear. More examples. I heard a song. I heard a loud noise. I heard your message. Mistake 3. Hear me when you want attention.
Better. Listen to me.
Or listen. Examples.
Listen, stop.
Oh, I hear the car.
Yes, and now listen and look.
Mistake 4. Past and present. Present, I hear, I listen. Past, I heard, I listened. Examples.
I hear the dog now. I heard it last night.
I listen to music every day. I listened to music yesterday. Mistake 5. Polite repeats.
When you don't understand, say it politely. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it one more time?
Sorry, I wasn't listening. Can you say that again? Final role play. Friends. Natural talk. Bunie, I need help.
Sure, I'm listening.
Last night, I heard a strange sound.
What did it sound like?
Like a scratch on the window.
Wow, did you listen carefully?
Yes, I listened for it again, then I heard nothing.
Maybe it was the wind or a tree.
Maybe. I was scared.
I hear you. That sounds scary.
Thanks. Today, I will listen to music and relax.
Good idea.
Recap time. Step 1. Hear equals sound comes to you. Listen equals you focus.
Step 2. Hear plus something. Listen to plus something.
Step 3. Fast choice game. Hear first, then listen for details.
Step 4. Useful phrases. Can you hear me? Did you hear that? Listen up. Listen for.
Step 5. Fix mistakes. Listen to, know to after hear, and use polite repeat lines.
Now write one sentence in the comments. Today I hear blank, or today I listen to blank.
We will read your sentences. Thanks for watching Mr. K English Channel.
Please like and subscribe for more easy English.
See you next time.
Bye!